try your best, but you don't
선짓.
succeed. When you get what you want, but not
Smayan
what
tampay
you
lang.
need.
เล่นกัน
When you feel so tired that you can't sleep. Stuck.
We both are from Manipur, from Tamenglong, and he's Mr. John Mpamei, and it's our Genei. So this live is from Doha, Qatar. I hope everyone is being safe. Thank you so much for joining this live.
Thank you so much. Have
Hey,
a
I think
wonderful
that's how on to it.
time, all of you. God bless you. I will fight for you. I always do until my heart is black and blue. And I will stay with you. We'll make it to the other side, like lovers do. I'll reach my hands out in the mountain, reach to your feet, until I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. 'Cause I'm not giving up, not yet. Even when I'm down to my last breath, even when they say there's nothing left, don't give up. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up, no, not me.
Hello, Mayam.
Even when nobody else believes, I'm not going down that easily. So don't give up on me. And I will hold on to you.
Thank you. Yam nungaizare. Ramadan Kareem.
For this moment,
Mr. Shah, Joyur Rahman. Ay maning na lady ko, Mayam.
I'll reach my hands out in the dark and wait for you soon. Until I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. 'Cause I'm not giving up, no, not yet. Even when I'm down to my last breath, even when they say there's nothing left, so don't give up. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up, no, not me. Even when nobody else believes, I'm not going down that easily. So don't give up. Oh, I will fight for you. I always do until my heart is black and blue. Thank you so much for having us, and all of you have a wonderful time. Take care. God bless. Goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello. Mayam nungayribo. Ay ki manaba ni hojikkido John ga Genei ga. Mabani sida school kanoniko music teacher ne. Chahi khara yami sida mokhina leise do. Akhoi gi unadi hojikki unadi everybody is like so sad. And we are really taking care of your health. Ito mayam so Manipurda lay khudung sa ngai na lay biyo na yaw gano ay marakta sa may na toy na akhoi community sing gi Manipurda gi na mayam sida lay sing say adum interaction tawraga mayam da adum I cannot see this one. Yeah, so we all can see each other and talk. There you go. Hello. Hi. I cannot see any comment here or
Maybe you're putting upside down the
live
system.
chat. Akoy huzik, what's the time now? Genei?
Now is wait 6:30.
Akoy huzik sida 6 pung 3 makai tare duka nungsa chap chana changba timing niya ba nungdang wairam tare huzik si saida. Ay isay sakpa yawsalo. Ay udaba koire hoy mayam udaba koire. Isay sakpa se ay di haiti kay isay sakta jo. Numidang wairam se kaya da fajaraba. Lao sida. Chichibiran. Come here. So I have more sisters here. And makoy ma'am say we came here to the beach for the weekend. And ay huzik Doha da dum laye. I'm still in Doha. Huzik akogi sida di COVID ki situation sa hana ga haradi yamna phare ba aduduna mapan thokpa khotpa se dum yaye aduga especially now it's a Ramadan oi bagi ko mapan thoga koi kitang restrictions in delay hai tare like chaba thakpa public ta dum ba mayam amadi la yade aduga chabam thakpam aduga gathering to bom sing se kitang restriction oi huziki oina di kai gina habada animak punjal lagadi haidi festival ga chaba thakpa pula punjal di yararoi haidana moina lockdown thamme ba kano se suti thamme ha tare huziki oina di mapan da punba khotpa se am kana yade aduga the limited oi so ai huziki oina di traveling to ba se I hold the thamme ba traveling se ko aduga yara kan da travel to gani huziki oina di most of the countries they have the lockdown. Okay. Some English because you know I've been talking only Manipuri from the starting only, and I'm really comfortable with my own language because there are a lot of English channel people can watch, but for me I prefer to talk in my own language. So Hoy udaba koire. I know I love sunset. I have more sunset. I took a lot of videos and definitely I'm gonna share it. Tarazugi say hi tea. Thank you. Genei, guys, I have my one of my friend. He's from Temenglong. Okay, so he will be talking. Genei, come here.
You want to sing something? Should I play guitar for you?
No, I'm gonna introduce my friend. So yeah, you can talk to your language.
Who is here? I cannot see the message.
No. Adum hayo na kuyi maronda mayam.
My Matthew Ibama.
What is that?
Everyone is doing good.
Okay.
there?
My Matthew.
My Matthew Ibama.
My Matthew Webama. Mayam nungay biri ko. Mayam safe na lay bibra. And then what else? Like okay. Adum hayo. So I mean there are many.
Okay. Yeah.
Since how long you were here in Doha?
Now it's going to be 5 years.
Uibame.
No, Uibama. No, Chawang. Chawang is from my family. Yes.
Ah, Chawang. No, koi su nada ba oyo po. Isu nadi.
Yes, we have taken the measurement and then we are set here.
Uibame.
Sing something. I will play it for you. No, I can catch you up.
Really?
Yeah. And sing something.
No, no, please.
Give a try.
No, please don't.
We can stop in between. So
I don't
sing
know.
it. Yeah. No, Tom is singing.
Bro, sit down properly. You look tired in that position. Isay loisin la doiro.
Tom,
They are asking more music. They are asking.
Tom can sing very well sometimes, and she can totally low sometimes because you know. So
Duga sila
Come
so
here,
agi
come here, come
Manipur
here,
gi inaw nupi mayauri so magi maming na Angel kawe gui kalong khong na una jiju bame gui gai long khong nuan ni jiu bame
she is lucky to be here with us today.
Hoy masina dada Devendro gi machanupi ne
Yeah.
dada Devendro ma di shilaga magi machanupi ne keno degi ne naurem thong degi ne khoi manak degi ne so nang chahi kya suragi sila leiba
10 years father.
10 years sugadore hai masida ko let it be sa oy ay hay tiye masak phajai hai rock ko na
Yes.
thank you
You want to sing anything? Sing it off. Anything.
no you can play a guitar instead
Udre.
live po niya to rock it
Laula sa chen.
Come and dance here, Sanji. I'll play for you. Okay. What song should I? Okay. I have one song which I can play. So, this is called kind of finger style. So.
bro he cannot sing there's one singer on the side and I think he's exhausted tell me something boy okay one singer is coming the guy who can sing Manipuri
This is just a finger style music piece. isay sakpati haiti boko duduna mayam mamanga sakiba John ga giniga na tawgibdo do oina yengbiro aduga makha tarakpa video dum samaina mating aina chatpa khopada semakke aduga because of this situation I stopped traveling completely aduduna aina travel torkanda mug travel blog semakke however if you guys really want me to make a video, please tell me what you want to see from Doha, okay? I can show you the FIFA stadium, I can show you the markets here, and then also the different people, food, culture, and the people from Manipur, I can show them, and you can have the interactions
and also from any family members like my friend Genei Newmei.
Yes.
Genei Newmei from Tamenglong, and he's a music school teacher here in DPS Delhi Public School, right?
No, not DPS, BPS.
BPS. Sorry. So good to see you all. I love you all. I'll be back soon. By the way, I have created a new channel that is called Tampasana. I give previous channel maming do tum koi bane ba do mayam na do dum changaga subscribe to ko huziki oina de video thagatri bane. I'll be uploading soon. Bye bye. Manipuri say ma. Kuire mapa dagaba magi chi thi thaki pau kum di phangde.
Sing it out. Keep going. Keep going.
Ate Haiti.
Kuiri
Mapa tadaba magi chi thi thaki pau kum di phangde. Mai lai phang khang tre miram sida mo tha phang khang tre pau kum ngai bada. Lord, Haiti, Haiti. God, bye bye. Thank you.